Good day, sir. My name is Miguel Peteros. Permission to wear these glasses because I have a sore eyes. And this is my project, car model EI. And I have home, brands, records, and use camera button. Cover. And these brands, I have four Toyota brands. I have four Toyota models and Toyota brands, which is Toyota Vios, Toyota Fortuner, Toyota Innova, Toyota Avanza, and the brands of Honda, I have two models, which is Honda City, Honda Civic, and the brand for Ford, I have one models, which is Ford Ranger, and Nissan brands, I have two models, which is Nissan Almera, Nissan Mirage, and for Mitsubishi brands, I have Mitsubishi Mirage. And then for the last one brand, which is Suzuki, I have models for Suzuki Ertiga. And for the records, I have an analytic summary. Total correction is 99.2% average confidence, and unique users 4, which is Toyota Class 0, which is Toyota Vios, and event log is 6 event logs. Usage in confidence trends, daily active users, branch distributions. Toyota Vios is higher, which is 99.5%, and the next is Honda City, which is 96.1%, the predictions, and Toyota Fortuner. Then the next is Ford Ranger, is Suzuki Ertiga, Honda Civic, and the last one is Toyota Avanza. And then this is my recent predictions. For 3 hours ago, I have scanned Toyota Vios 3 hours ago, and then 2 days ago, I've scanned Honda City. Okay, let's go to home. Let's back to home. And I click the use camera button. Wait, I call my assistant to predict my cell phone to scan the what. So this is the my props. So let's see if this is a 100% prediction or accuracy is total of 100%. Let's see what's going on. This one, I capture this picture. What? It is a 99.9% confidence, sir. And let's go to save. It's already saved for the Peteros database. So what if I use these images, not only for the camera? Okay, I use this and this one, this. Let's see if this prediction was total of 95 to 100% accuracy rate. Oh no, that's good. Yes sir, 99.6% confidence. That is a Honda Civic, so accurate niya po siya sir, no? Sorry for my Bisaya language. Let's focus to English. So, save to the database. Okay, save. So, what if I try another brand or another classes? Okay, I select one. I choose one of my 10 classes. So this one is Toyota Fortuner. Let's see if the prediction was accurate for the Toyota Fortuner. Let's see. I capture. Wow! Toyota Innova. That's wrong. Sorry, sir. not the total prediction in the camera was not good. This is not a Toyota Innova, this is Toyota Fortuner. But instead of that, what about the images? Okay, select the images by tagging. So the Toyota Fortuner, let's see if this accurate for predictions. Yes, there is the file images was confidence for Toyota Fortuner and 99.0% accuracy for the file images, but the camera is not accurate for Toyota Fortuner, but it's okay. So let's try again. Sample. So I choose another one of my classes. This one is this one is Honda City. Yes. So let's see if this 100% accurate. So wait lang. My camera was too blurred. I captured. No. That's not. Retake muna. I retake that picture. Okay. So that is not accurate for the camera. But let's see if this accurate for the select images. So this one, let's see if this accurate for the file images. I hope so. This is 100%. Yes, 96% was Honda City Premium. That's so accurate, yep. So accurate for the file images, the Honda City, but the camera of my classes in Honda City was not accurate. And I saved this to the database. And let's go for the records if this saved. So now where they are. Where are you now? 4 minutes ago I've scanned Toyota Vios, which is 99%, and 3 minutes ago Honda Civic, and 1 minute ago is Toyota Fortuner, and Honda City is karon lang. Just now. Sorry. 96%. So I submit this, but this one Toyota Vios I also delete this because there, and also I delete this Toyota Vios because I did not show this in an example of the picture. This is a failed prediction, or maybe I can't delete. So I think let's go to submit. So 19% total predictions, 99.1% average confidence for unique users. Event log is earlier, it's 6 earlier, but this now is already 7. So I submit. Let's see, submit to my database, which is Firebase. So that's all my presentation, sir. So your question is, how can real-time dashboards help improve decision making or monitoring in a real-world application of your projects? So thank you for that wonderful question, sir. No? I will answer it in a wonderful way. So My answer is real-time dashboards provides instant insights into system performance and usage, allowing quick detection of issues and trends. This enables faster, data-driven decisions and more effective monitoring in real-world applications. That's my answer for the question number 1. But let's proceed to the question number 2. So, the question is, if you were given more time, what feature enhancements would you add to improve in applications? So, hindi ko that question again, sir, and I will answer it again. So, my answer is, if given more time, I would improve model accuracy to additional training data and add more classification and quality prediction categories. I would also enhance the dashboard with advanced analytics and improve the user interface for a smoother user experience. And that's my answer, sir. And let's proceed to the third question. So, the third question is, how can your image classification app be applied to the real-world scenarios such as education, agriculture, or healthcare? So, thank you for that wonderful question, sir, and I will answer in a wonderful question again. I agree. Wonderful answer again. So, my answer is the image classification app can be used in education as a learning tool for identifying objects and concepts in agriculture for detecting crop pollution and quality, and in healthcare for assisting in preliminary images. Based on assessment, this application help improve efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility across different fields. So thank you for that wonderful question, sir, and that's also my answer for question number 3. And that's all, sir. Thank you, and permission to wear these glasses again, sir. Thank you. Excuse me again. God bless, sir. Bye.